Welcome to the Crypto Lens. Alright, so I did said before that I would make a video on my targets where I'm going to go and look forward to really reaccumulate Bitcoin. And so here we are. For a quick recap now, so this was the top of our market top. We had a wave A, we had a wave B, and now we're working into this C wave. And yeah, sure. Is this wave 2 already started? I believe so. We could go even lower. So let me double check here. When I say lower, it means higher, right? Because the trend is down. Let me do that like this. Let me remove that one. Actually, you know what? I don't even want to go too much in details because this is just general view, right? So once again, this is, let me take back my pen. So if this is the A and this is the B, I'm looking for the 1-to-1 ratio wave A to wave C, okay? So as simple as that. I don't want to make it too difficult. And yeah, for sure, after that, we can go on the 1 hour. When we are about to maybe reach the target, then we can analyze the last leg down of the C wave and see if we do have 5 waves down, and that's going to give us a hint on where the price could find support or is about to find support anytime soon. For the moment, we're not there because we just started this C wave here, and the theory is that, you know, we have 5 wave down, okay? So this would be the wave 1. Now I'm not even sure if this wave 2 is finished. Honestly, it could go higher. So this would be just the wave 2, and after that we would see once again 5 wave down for the third wave, then a fourth and a fifth. This is how I see it now, and this is why, you know, possibility is still there that Bitcoin can go higher. Actually, you know what? Let me put it now, and so it's going to be easier after that. So if we say this was the wave 1, this could be just the A, still working on the B and doing maybe a wave 2 that's going to retrace the price a little bit higher. And then after that, we're going to have, you know, a nice impulsive movement to the downside, and after that, a fourth and a fifth. This is how we would go. Now, I am not sure if this B wave is finished. Definitely this A wave is completed. What else did I want to say here? Yeah, the retracement. Let me do the retracement for this wave 2. To put it more on the right side, here we go. So we did reach the minimum requirement for a wave 2. That's very weak. This is why at least 69,200 would make sense to join the MA 200. Let's see if this actually does happen. And after that, once again, the third wave. Now, if I zoom out a little bit, I just want to let you know, or show you. So if this is the A wave and this is the B wave, no matter how high this wave 2 goes, it doesn't really change much for the bigger picture. So 1-to-1 ratio, we're talking about 40,040. Now, we go on the daily. If I make a retracement of all this movement here, starting from, when was it, this November 2022 to our top, let's remember that this is supposed to be our fourth wave. You know, this is the third, and this is a correction for a bigger fourth wave. I don't even know where is my fourth. Just add a text. I think that's just a label, a text label. Okay, so this is, you know, is the third wave. We're working into this fourth wave, and the C wave should complete around here. So we almost reach the 0.382 at 56,255. No coincidence that I'm sure that if price goes lower, it's going to find a little bit of support here before going down. I would be kind of surprised if price just plunge, and it's going to do that more likely into this third wave. After that, we still would have a fourth and a fifth wave to do. So 1-to-1 ratio, 40,000, 0.40, and a 0.5 fib retracement would be $44,064. So as you can see, I did a box here, a green box. This is my accumulation level. For sure, if it goes to $34,500, I'm going to jump in like crazy. So these are my levels that I intend to reaccumulate here. Between 46,700, let's say 46,800, I will start slowly to accumulate, and then every level I'm going to go lower or reach, I will incrementally scale in. Now, I'm not telling you to do the same. I'm just sharing what I'm going to do. And now I'm saying this, but clearly, when we get there, for sure, first of all, we should have at least a third wave, and then a fourth, and then going down, right? So when the fourth wave is going to be completed, and we are seeing the trend that's going down, then we can even be more accurate, because we can calculate many ways for this fifth target. It would be calculate the wave 1 and 3 and put the fourth wave, and it's going to give us some indication, some like actually 2 levels. And then after that, we can also calculate another way of calculating the fifth wave, and then that's going to give us more in detail where the price should kind of land. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful. And I mean, a lot of time people, they make it very difficult, but for me, honestly, the simpler the better. I mean, I can do complicated stuff and go to the 1 hour and calculated I don't know, even do chart for 30 minutes. But at the end of the day, if we are looking just for the bigger picture and when to start to accumulate, I find this green box for me, it's just perfect. And this is what I'm going to do. The smallest time frame is more to see the timing. Should I buy here? Is it the fifth wave almost completed or not? Or we're going to go a little bit lower? That when we get there, that is going to have an incidence on how massively I'm going to scale in. Am I going to scale a lot at this level if I feel that this is the end of the fifth wave, or if I feel this is just the third wave and I still have a fourth and a fifth to go, then I'm going to scale in, but not as heavily, because I am expecting a fourth and a fifth wave, and then I'm going to get some cash aside to accumulate even more, because I'm convinced price should go lower. So this is pretty much my my strategy, or this is how I see it. I could be wrong for sure, and then if I'm wrong, it's easy. We just spot 5 wave up, 3 wave down, and then that's another entry point. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.